Okay guys, so today we're going to work on, this one is going to be volume. So we're going to calculate and use the area of the base to determine the volume of each given cylinder. Use 2.14 for pi, round to the nearest hundredth. So basically in these, you're going to go ahead and use the volume formula. And the volume formula for like any of these cylinders is going to be big BH. That's for any prism. Prism basically has two parallel bases, the bottom base and the top base of the parallel. And that B means for the area of the base. B equals area of the base. Now on that note, the big B is get the area of the base, which is a circle. And how do you get the area of this base? Is going to be pi radius squared. So this part is pi radius squared and times your height. Your height is the distance from one base to the other base. Pi radius is the distance from the center to the side or the circle itself. 2 and squared times your height of 5. So volume is equal to, multiply this stuff out for, this is 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times this is now 20 pi. That's the most correct answer. But we're going to come out here, and like it says here, to use 3.14 for pi, we're going to go 20 times 3.14. I don't even know what 60. Hold on. So there we go, multiply 20 times 3.14, so about 62.8. And do remember this is volume, so it's going to have 60.2. Oh, great. Let me see what the numbers were. 60.8, my bad. $62.8, and this is going to be volume, so it's going to be centimeters cubed. So come back over here. This one says find the area of the base, which is your big B, to find the volume, right? So don't forget the volume is equal to big B times H. Don't forget the big B means area of the base. Sorry, my pen's writing really slow. Really not cool. And for this area of a base of a circle, we're going to use it as pi radius squared. So volume is equal to pi radius squared times your height. Start plugging in the numbers. Pi is pi. Radius is going to be the distance from the center to the side, or to the circle itself. 3 squared times your height of 3. Now, we're going to write everything out, and this is 3 times 3, 3 squared, which is 9 times 3, 27. So all this is 27. And then we set pi. That's the correct answer, the most correct answer you ever have. So we're going to come out here and multiply 27, because it says to go ahead and round it by using 3.14 for pi. And I go 27 times 3.14. 84, 78. 8478. On that note, you want to say volume. I messed up. It's not equal. I guess for this part it is. And again, this is going to be volume, so we're going to have cubic units to the third. Hopefully this is working out for you. Okay, so again, we're going to find the volume by using the formula of base times height, which means the area of the base times your height. So volume is equal to big B, which in the situation is area of the base is pi r squared, times your height. Volume is equal to pi. Radius in the situation is going to be from the center to the side. So that's going to be 4 squared times your height of 7. And this one is going to be 16 times 7. Holy moly, I can't do that one. 16 times 7, 42, 7, 11. And then we still have pi. And then volume is equal to, well, we're going to write 112 times 3.14. And volume, let me just take this stuff out to the calculator. Okay, so it's 4 squared times 7. Make sure I did it right. 112. And then we're going to multiply that times 3.14. And that gives me 351.68. 351.68. And that's going to be, again, volume is in cubic. So there's that. Next thing over here, let's try this one. We're going to go volume, same formula, same everything. Is me big B times H. Volume, big B means area of the base. So that's going to be how to get the area of the base of a cylinder. Pi radius squared times your height. Volume is equal to pi. Radius will be from here to here. 6 squared times your height of 4. Volume is equal to pi. 36 times 4. Ooh, I don't even know what that is. So here 36 times 4. That gives me 24. 12, 144. Okay, so we got 36 times 4 gave me 144. So we're going to have pi. I usually write this at the end. So we're going to go with 144 times pi, the most correct ever answer. Now we're going to go 144 times 3.14. That's going to be your pi. Let's just do it. Then we're going to go times 3.14. So that gives me 1104.28. 1104.28. Alright, this is pretty easy, guys. Very easy. And we're going to go y d to the third.